guys, on today's video we're going to be setting up your vacuum. So it's a really quick setup and you guys will see how easy it is. So the very first thing we have to do is set this guy up. So it's really easy. It goes just like it has to go. There's no other way to put it on. You guys will see 2 screws that come with this. Here are the 2 screws that you're supposed to get. Okay, and they will be placed on the back. So you just have to put a screwdriver, the first hole. So that's right here. The other one's over there. So just screw that in. Alright guys, so this is the next part. You have your dirty water tank. Okay, so this, all the dirty stuff will be in here. And here's the clean stuff. So right here you guys are going to put a water solution. This goes on top of here. All you guys have to do is put it right here. And then just push it in and you're done. That's supposed to lock up there. Right here you guys will see that there's space. That's okay. That's just the design of this thing. Obviously we have to take this off. This is just tape. So just take it off. Easy. Any other tape and stuff that you guys see like that around this, always take it off before continuing on with the setup. Okay guys, at this point what you guys are going to do is fill it up with water. Warm water. Warm water works the best. Yes, you guys can put cold water. It's not going to make a huge difference. But once it comes down to cleaning, yes, it will. Okay? And you guys can put it up to here where it says max fill. As long as it's a little bit underneath that, you guys are good to go. But there's the line where it says. Same thing with solution. It's going to say max fill right here. You guys will see that on the side. And same thing. So just put the cap back on once you're done with the water. Then put in the solution. The solution is going to be a lot less from what you guys will see. I know the tank looks big, but this takes care of mixing both, kind of. So this is the solution that you're supposed to use. Okay, I would recommend only using this solution. Yes, other solutions work. Doesn't screw up your machine. However, they're made for each machine, so I would recommend just buying the one that goes with the machine that you just bought, and this one's the one that goes with this type of machine. So we're gonna fill this up until it says max, so you guys will see that on the side. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you a few things down here. Now, here's where your dirty water is gonna be at. So to release that, you guys will see this tank release. All you guys have to do is pull it. So pull it towards you, like so, okay? And then this will come up. So see, it's supposed to go in and out fairly easy. You guys can lock it back in once it's emptied up. And again, to release it, it's just that. Take it out, and you guys are all set. Okay, you guys will also see right here. Okay, it does tell you pull. So obviously, there we go. You guys can open it up, and there you go. Okay, so you don't have a filter right there. Just be careful with it. Put it back, and you're done. You also have this. Okay, I would also recommend always using this. Okay, these guys tend to break off after a while, so I wouldn't use them as much to empty this out. However, they're not even meant for that exactly. You're really meant to pull this out in order to clean this tank out. Okay, so we're gonna put that back in there. So these are must-know things right away, because you guys will be cleaning right away, I know that. Down here, you guys will see that you have deep clean and quick clean. I would suggest using deep clean all the time. It will use a little bit more water up, sure, but it's always usually better. And there's a reason why you guys are cleaning the carpet, so deep clean, better. Okay, your accessory part. Your accessory part, I would say it's the only tricky part about this, but not really. You guys will see how easy it is. So here's my accessory. Okay, and just go around it. You guys will see this. Okay, you guys will see this and then this. This will line up with this hole right here. See that? And that's the easiest way to get that in there. So just line those up. And once you guys have that lined up, you guys have to rotate it this way. Okay, so I'm rotating this way. And then it locks. You guys will notice that it locks. You guys can't take it out anymore. And right here it says open, so just flip that open, and you guys are going to connect that right here, okay? And this actually snaps in really easy, and that's it. So that's for your accessory, okay? And that's for this guy. So if you guys need to use this, that's how you guys hook that up. And you guys can place this, for example. You guys can place this guy, and of course you guys can use this as well. But anyways, to apply this onto this, again, very, very easy. Do that, and this will snap in here. So you guys see that? That will snap in there. So to take it out, it's the same thing. This is made so you guys have some pressure to put up, and then you guys can slip it out. So that's how these accessories work. They're really easy. Once you're done that, you guys can unattach this again, unlock it, take it out, take this out, and you're set to go. Don't forget to close this up. Alright guys, so now you're ready to go, and all you guys need to know is that this down here, it's to power on. So just press on that to power it on, and then this right here, you have to press on it in order for this to recline. So if we press this, that's gonna turn on, then when we press this, it's gonna recline. Okay, so we can do this, and then we can use it just as a regular vacuum, kind of. So down here, what you guys want to do is set at rinse, usually. That's what's recommended, setting at rinse and then wash. So do rinse first, so that's just gonna spill water, and that's it, no actual solution. So do that first, and then you guys are gonna switch it to wash, and that will get you the best results. So now that you guys are ready, you guys have to press this. Once you guys press that, it's gonna spill out the solution or water. If you guys have it set at rinse right now, it's gonna spill out just water, okay? Once you guys have it set at wash, then it's gonna spill out the solution as well. So just go back and forth, rinsing everything, okay? Spilling that solution out, and then you guys will let go of it, okay? And then just go back and forth with your vacuum until it vacuums most of the water. You guys will see that it's gonna suck up a lot of water as long as you guys are not pressing this a lot. And then you guys will see that it's almost nothing is going through. That's because it's sucked up as much water and solution as it could. So then you got to repeat until it's done, the job, okay? So keep going with that. Then you guys have to empty out the tank, obviously, which I showed you already how to. And that's it for this setup video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.